Back in 2009, 17-year-old Jamie Melendez raped a 14-year-old unnamed victim, and as a result, he received 16 years of probation. Well, unfortunately, the 14-year-old victim in this case got pregnant with the rapist child, and she decided to give birth to the rapist child, and she had a daughter. Now, unfortunately, Melendez is trying to get parental custody of the little girl, which means that this rape victim has to deal with him. Now, this is a big problem in many states in the country. In fact, parental rapists can sue for custody in 31 states. And the question is, should they even be allowed to do that? And does it make sense for a convicted rapist to have anything to do with a child?
Yeah. Okay. This is the biggest non-question in American history, except apparently we're on the losing side in 31 states, in a majority of the states, which is mental, right? Look, there's a conviction, so there's not a question, right? And it was a 14-year-old in this case who was raped. You're going to let the rapist say, well, it's his son. Yeah, or son or daughter. It's their kid in this case because he raped her. No, of course. I mean, you can't see your kid sometimes for tiny infractions, right? Like, oh, you're not a responsible parent. Oh, you smoked pot. That's it. You lose your rights, etc. Raping the mother is a pretty good reason to lose your parental rights.
I definitely agree with you on that. Now, at the same time, he does pay child support, a little over $100 per week. And so his argument is, well, if I'm paying to take care of this child, I should at least have visitation rights. I should have some custody of the child. But even then, I disagree. I think that you're dangerous, and I don't think that you should have anything to do with children. Sorry, you raped someone who was 14 years old.
I'm not buying the argument at all. Look, I don't know the details of that case, but there's a conviction, right? Mm-hmm. So once there's a conviction, it's over. You don't get to say, oh man, I can't believe it's costing me $100 a week or a month. Well, if you didn't want it to cost you $100, you shouldn't have raped her, okay? You know what happens sometimes when you rape someone? They get pregnant. Okay, that's one of the things that could happen.
I thought the body had this thing of shutting that whole system down. What happened to that?
No, apparently not. Apparently not. So you might have put a couple of thoughts before you violated someone like that. Sad day for you.